Hello, my name is Sean and today I'm going to show you how to replace the door hinge on this Indesit washing machine. Before we start, please make sure you've isolated your appliance from the mains. Okay, I'm going to undo the two torque screws here and here first, holding the door firmly in my other hand. Right. Allow me access to the two screws here on the hinge. Now we simply remove the remaining two screws, hold the hinge to the front panel. And there we are. Right, to refit the new hinge, we simply put in position and fix with the two self-tapping screws we just taken out. Just line it up. Now if we reposition the door onto the hinge, and that's how to change a hinge on an Indesit washing machine. Washing machine spares and spares for all appliances are available on the Ransom Spares website. Thank you for watching.